little genius time. Learn with fun.
This is a song about Lily's adventures. Lily's learning and growing. Lily's about to teach us all. Lily's ready to show us. She's learning how to count. She's learning to spell. She's learning new words. Lily's teaching us now.
Welcome to Lily's Learning Adventures. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore the amazing states of matter. Are you ready to discover the secrets of solids, liquids, and gases? Introduction to States of Matter. Hi everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the three main states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Let's start our adventure with solids. Exploring solids. Solids have a definite shape and volume, which means they keep their form no matter where you place them. Take this ice cube, for example. It's hard and maintains its shape, even when I move it around. Solids can come in many forms. Some are hard like ice, while others are soft like this pillow. But no matter how they feel, they always hold their shape unless you apply force. Exploring liquids. Next up, let's explore liquids. Liquids have a definite volume, but they take the shape of whatever container they're in. Watch this water as I pour it. See? The water changes its shape to match the container, but it's still the same amount of water. Liquids flow and move easily, filling up the space they're given. Exploring gases. Now, let's talk about gases. Gases are unique because they have no definite shape or volume. They spread out to fill whatever space is available. Gases are all around us. Like the air we breathe. They move freely and will fill up any space they can find, whether it's a small balloon or a big room. Fun experiment, the water cycle. Let's do a fun experiment to see how matter can change states. This is called the water cycle, and it happens all around us in nature. Look, the liquid water is heating up and turning into water vapor, which is a gas. Now, let's cool it down and see what happens. Wow, the gas turned back into a liquid. Isn't that amazing? This is just like how clouds form in the sky. Review and quiz. Let's review what we've learned. What are the three states of matter? That's right, solids, liquids, and gases. Now, can you tell me which state has a definite shape and volume? Yes, solids. Great job. Remember, solids keep their shape, liquids take the shape of their container, and gases fill any space they're in. And that's the end of today's adventure in Lily's Learning Adventures. Remember, the world is full of amazing science waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, stay curious, and who knows what incredible things you'll learn next.